how to lock your iPad screen for tracing. So in this video, I'll show you how to lock an image and your screen on the iPad, and this will prevent the screen from moving while you go and trace it with a pencil. Now to do this, you'll need to go and open up the settings on your iPad, click on Accessibility from the left-hand side, and then scroll down to the bottom and click on Guided Access. Now make sure Guided Access is turned on. You can then click on Passcode Settings, and you'll need to set up a Guided Access passcode. So just go and enter a 6-digit code that you're going to remember. And once you've set up the passcode, you can then go and close out of this window. Now go and open up the image that you want to start tracing. You then need to triple click the power button in the top right hand side of your iPad. Now click on Session Settings at the bottom of the page and go and turn off touch like so. Now this will make your screen unresponsive while we're tracing the image, and then just press Start in the top right hand side of the screen. You can now begin tracing your image as the screen is going to be locked. Now to remove the lock and to be able to use your iPad again, you just need to triple click the power button once again. You'll need to enter your passcode, and then you can resume using your iPad as normal.